Hi, I just survived my exams, so let's get ready with me to go to a cafe. It's just a coincidence, it's all pink t shirt, phone case, everything. As soon as I stepped out from my apartment, I saw a crocodile rescue van as if it's just waiting for me. And yeah, I have finally escaped my room. Now I needed some sunlight, fresh air, and good food definitely. And that's when I found this hidden gem, a newly opened green cafe named Cafe Local, built inside a century old heritage bungalow premises. I chose to sit here and found it was the best place to sit because I could see the whole view of the cozy little garden and the sky. Then I had ordered for the combo meal that was, I think, onion rings, burger, and an iced drink. I could have ordered a coffee and some snack, but I had accidentally skipped my lunch and it was already 4 o'clock, so ordered for a meal and that already had a drink with it. The burger was just perfect for me because it had all the veggies, patty, and the cheese they had used had a very less amount of lactose content in it. Opted for onion rings. That's not my usual order, but to my surprise, the onion rings were perfectly crispy and freshly prepared. While having my food, I did a bit of work and also prepared a presentation. And here I was just soaking in the vibes, sipping the drink while planning the tasks for the week. The weather today was just perfect with a soft sunlight, evening breeze, and the birds chirping. Overall, I liked the experience, and seriously, this is one of those cafes in Vadodara that very few people know about. So, yeah, here's a tiny nature photo dump from the cafe. On my way back home, I bought some mandarins and red grapes. I have finally reached my home, so that's it for today. Bye.